1-5. Identify perpendicular lines. Number 16 says, find the value of x given that line S is perpendicular to line T. If we know they're perpendicular for A, we know that they have to be 90 degrees here. The reason why they have to be 90 degrees is because it's perpendicular, 90 degrees, okay? These two angles, they add up to 180, or they're also vertical, okay? So that's also 90 here, okay? So I'm going to do the linear pair one because I noticed that these here and this here, they make a line. So we can say the 2x plus 20 plus that 90 is going to be equal to our straight line, which is 180 degrees. 90 plus 20 is 110. Bring down the 2x. That equals to 180. We subtract 110 to both sides. This gets you 70. This cancels. Bring down the 2x. Divide 2 to both sides. We get x is equal to 35. Next, B. Notice that here, that the S and T, they make a 90 degrees. So this in total is 90 degrees. So we can write, if we add 3x plus 5, okay, plus 40, that should get us our total of 90 degrees. So 3x plus 5 plus 40 is 45. And that's going to be equal to our 90 degrees. Subtract 45 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with a 3x is equal to, I think that is 45. Divide this by 3 to both sides. X is equal to 15. Okay, now let's look at C. Same thing here. This total angle here is 90 degrees. All right, so we know that this 10x plus 5x is going to be equal to this 90 degrees. 10x plus 5x, this gets you 15x. Set that equal to 90 degrees. We divide both sides by 15. X is equal to 90 divided by 15 is equal to 6. So there you go. Right, so you're just using the properties of them being perpendicular to help you set up the equation and solve.